Day 4 of 365, Gold Asia Journal. Let's look at the tape. Today we are dealing with one of the most psychologically tilting scenarios. A trader can face the break-even phantom. You get the perfect entry. Price goes all the way to the 1-yard line. You move your stop loss to protect your capital. You get tagged out for $0, and then the market goes directly to your take profit. The amateur throws their mouse. The professional logs the data and smiles. Let's break down why today was a massive win for the Shield. Let's step into the technicals. The Asian session tape was incredibly choppy today. Price action was erratic, leaving massive wicks and fighting for direction. Despite the chop, our edge presented itself. We got the hourly extension, we got the market structure shift, and I executed the limit order flawlessly at the 50% retracement. The trade triggered and started melting exactly as planned. But because the overall market conditions were choppy, my trade management rules changed. When a market is highly volatile and erratic, you do not give it room to breathe. You play defense. When price reached 90% of the way to my target, it stalled. At that moment, my primary job shifted from making money to protecting capital. I moved my structural stop loss down to break even, locking in a tiny bit of profit to cover the broker fees. The very next candle reversed, wicked me out of the trade, and then immediately dropped to hit the full take profit target. It is easy to look at that chart in hindsight and say, if I just left my stop loss alone, I would have made my full return. That is outcome bias, and it is a toxic way to think. In a choppy market, that exact same reversal will blow past your entry and hit your full one. Percent stop loss 9 times out of 10. My job is not to predict the future. My job is to manage risk based on the current market environment. I read the tape, I identified the chop, and I protected the account. I survived the volatility with my capital completely intact. No regrets. Strict mechanics. Process over profits. See you tomorrow.